Dear students, today we will talk about operations management. Our topic of discussion is role of operations management in any business. In today's lecture, we will discuss about tourism and travel management. How to expedite operations in a travel agency or in any travel company. Operations management deals with production of services or any other product in any travel company. Operation management basically talks about management of operations. Operations means process which we follow for production of complete product or final product. Operation management is used to convert raw material into final product. Operation management is used to give tangible output in terms of products or services. We can have mechanical operations or services operations. In tourism and travel industry, we talk about operations of services. There are a number of services in travel industry. For example, issuing of boarding passes to convert foreign exchange, like from dollar to rupees and rupees to dollar, to convert raw ingredients into tasty dish. Operation management we can define as a process to convert input into output. For example, ingredients are converted into a tasty dish in a hotel. Operations means to operate as per requirement of the management. Management deals with coordination of any service or coordination between a number of departments in a company. Management is basically a guiding force. Management used to control the complete process. Its examples are industrial management and time management. Objectives of operations management are: operations management basically used to increase or enhance efficiency of the system. It is used to regulate production of product or services, for example, to issue boarding passes. Thank you.